Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. There are many benefits to making money online. You can stay in your pajamas as the cash flows in, you don't have to spend money on gas or food, and you can spend more time with loved ones. But, there are some things you need to know first. Read about important tips on making money online here. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. It takes some research time to get to know the details of successful making money online. Your best bet for starters is to find others in the industry or niche of your choice and mingle. Having others who are also working online in the same job market can be a great asset to help you find the best niche for your talents. Be open to new opportunities and you'll never fail. Be grounded in your expectations about making money online. It still takes time and effort. Block out an hour a day from your schedule to spend online working on things, but do not quit your day job yet. It could be days or even weeks before you even know what you are good at. Translate documents if you are fluent in a second language and want to make money on the side. Check out the freelancing sites to find people who will need things altered into a different language. This can be anyone from a large corporation to an individual who wants to translate something for a friend. If you are good at writing, it would be a great idea for you to sign up for a few freelance sites. This is a great way to make a legitimate income without leaving the house. The amount of money you earn depends on how much you are willing to put into it, which means you are in control of your own income. In conclusion, there are many perks to making money online. After all, who wouldn't want to sit on the sofa or lay in bed while making money? Now that you have watched this video, you have a better idea of what it takes to make money online. Use these tips to your advantage. Student loan.